Go ahead and drive. If you're gonna let off, warn me so I can hit the brakes. I don't want to run over it.
You're gonna have to catch up. You're gonna go a little faster than that.
35. I'm gonna run over your car. 40.
She's steering to the right and left.
45. 50.
My tires are ballooning. Tires are ballooning.
Go up to 50.
Yeah, but they're ballooning is the problem.
Does it make it wobbly?
Yep.
Here comes a car behind us.
Crap.
I'll just steer off to the side.
Why? Just keep going.
Put on my. Well,
Keep going.
he's gonna want to pass us, Keith.
So? Wayne.
Just put on my hazards.
No,
Push my
catch
hazard
up.
lights.
You're gonna leave me behind and I'm gonna get ran over. I'm not even full throttle yet, dude.
Alright, I'm doing 50.
Keep going.
Full throttle now.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Oh, here comes the car. Here
Oh, there it goes.
comes the truck.
Oh, you
no.
asshole.
Dadgummit!
You fucking idiot. I knew that was gonna happen. You fucking dipshit.